Pilipinas talagang ginulat ang mundo. Makasaysayang panalo ng Gilas Pilipinas matapos talunin ang world number 6 Latvia sa FIBA Olympic Qualifying Tournament 89-80. Ito ang kauna-unahang panalo nila laban sa isang European team in 64 years. Nanguna para sa Gilas si Justin Brownlee na may 26 points at 9 rebounds. Samantala, si Kai Sotto naman ay may 18 points, 8 rebounds at 3 steals. 12 points naman ang naitala ni Dwight Ramos kabilang ang dalawang pressure-packed free throws sa huling 47.9 segundo ng laro. Pero para kay Coach Tim Cone, hindi pa tapos ang laban.
We're happy about it, we're proud of it, but it's just one game. And we're not here to just win one game. We're here to do what we can to get to the finals and maybe a trip to Paris. So this was one step for us, but
At
just
si
a baby
Jordan
step.
Clarkson, hindi maitago ang saya sa upset win ng Gilas. Makakapasok sa semifinals ang Pilipinas kung mananalo sila sa Georgia mamaya or matalo sila ng 18 points or less. For more information, visit onesports.ph.